Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Play Store. Now you need to access background apps. I can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines at the bottom left corner. From here, click on the icon of your app and select Opening Split Screen View from the list. Now just click on the other app. I will go with Chrome. As you can see, after that, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to change placement of your apps, click on those 3 dots in the middle and tap on this icon with 2 arrows. In order to go back, you need to swipe your first app all the way up or all the way down, and when you see this gray area, let go. Lastly, click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!